Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing a new AI tool. It's called Dorik AI. It's one of the best website builder with no code skills. You can create your website from scratch just in one click. Now sign up on Dorik AI. You'll find the link in the description. And here two options: create a website with AI or build your templates. Now let's choose build AI seat first. Just pass the name for your seat and the prompts. We'll go to ChatGPT and tell him to give me a full prompt website builder about my niche. Now I write the prompts here. It's simple prompts, and my website I want to build, it's about coffee shop. Now ChatGPT, it's give me a full prompts with design and sanction. We'll copy it and go back to Dorik AI, paste it here, choose the language for your websites and click generate. Now Dorik AI will generate me a full website just in these prompts. It's take some time. And this is my website start generated with image, text, pricing, and a lot of things. Look at this. Now my website it's ready. Let's review it. Here, you can change the brand colors and the title and the logo. Here it's optimized it with the tablets size. Let's show the font. For the font size, it's optimized. This is my website on my own phone. You can change the logo. You can change anything. Just click on it and click remove and change it. You can upload your own logo from your desktop and use it on your website. Here other option. You can change this image, the text, the title, the pricing, and anything you want. Here the other option. You can use it. And now let's try another option. It's build your website from templates. Here all the website templates, you find it on Dorik AI. You can use it. Just click on it and use it. Here all the niche for SaaS, marketing, cooking, and a lot of other niches. Here from SaaS, the templates. If you want to build website from your SaaS, or have a agency marketing, you want to build your website, let's choose any template on here. Just click on it and use them. Now Dorik AI will optimize me this template for my website. It's just one click. This is the templates I choose. Here my website it's ready. You can change here anything. Just click on it and change it. The color, the title, the image, the logo. Here you can change the size. You can change anything. This is the website optimized for phone, for tablets and desktop. Here you can edit your custom domain and publish it. That's it. Here the Dorik AI pricing plan. Here 3 plan free. You can generate two website from free plan with the limited image and other thing. The pro plan, you can generate unlimited AI website generator with a pro plan, just $39 per month. And for agency, it's higher plan, but I don't recommend it. Start with pro if you want to try it, and the link in the description, and see you the next one.